Mrs. Atatati.
A mega ex-servicemen or ESM rally was organized by Headquarter 101 Area Indian Army and Rajya Sainik Board Meghalaya at 58 Gorkha Training Centre, Happy Valley, Shillong on Friday. The rally was attended by hundreds of ex-servicemen, Veer Naris, World War II veterans and children hailing from Meghalaya. The rally was specially aimed at ex-servicemen, war veterans, disabled soldiers and war widows to express solidarity and demonstrate that they remain inseparable members of the armed forces fraternity even post-retirement. Rakam A. Sangma GAD Minister was the chief guest for the event. In his address, Rakam A. Sangma thanked the veterans and their families for the services they have rendered and hoped that they will continue to contribute to the society with the same vibrant vigor.
Though many of them are not with us anymore and with you anymore, but how the sacrifice for the nation, how they have contributed for the stability, for the growth of this nation. That same spirit still and should ignite the entire family, and the love to the nation, love to the profession should continue.